Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Diabetes Disease Prediction Using Machine Learning Algorithms. This paper deals with the prediction of diabetes disease using 5 different machine learning algorithms named as K nearest neighbor, navy based decision tree classifier, random forest and SVM. But as our implementation part will not be implementing all the 5, we'll be implementing only one algorithm, random forest classifier, and the accuracy that we have achieved is around 0.903. Let us see the execution of the project. So go to the command prompt, copy the source code location and go to the source code location and then type python app.py and now you can copy the URL, go to your browser, paste the URL, and now you can see the welcome screen or home screen of the project with the project title, Diabetes Disease Prediction Using Machine Learning Algorithms. And first go to the login part, and this is a static login page because we have not used any database, as we are going to show you with the machine learning algorithm. So you enter the username and password, which is a default credentials with username password as admin and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigating to the upload part. So just click the browse part and go to the source code location, and where you can find the dataset, click upload.csv. Just click this, and now the upload.csv has been selected. Now click upload button, and once the dataset has been uploaded, you can able to preview the dataset. So in the preview dataset, you can see the dataset features with the values of pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes pedigree function, age and the outcome. And if you scroll down, you can see the complete data set is been uploaded here, and you can preview it. And in the end of the page, you can see the complete data set, which consists around 768. And now you can click the click to train or test button to train the system, and now you can see the training is finished, and now the system is ready to predict the results, whether the diabetes is available or not. So in the now it will be navigated to the diabetes disease prediction page. So here you need to enter the details and check it. And as a scenario, I will be showing with 1 or 2 cases, so you can check with the other datas also. So let me show you with both the case, positive and negative case. So first let me enter the values. So for pregnancy, let me enter 10, glucose 129, blood pressure is 62, skin thickness is 36, insulin is 0, BMI is 41.2, and diabetes pedigree function is 0.441, and age is 38. So now let me predict for this value. Click the predict button, and now you can see the prediction result is positive. And now let me show you with other case. So pregnancy is 0, glucose is 134, blood pressure is 58, skin thickness is 20, insulin is 291, BMI is 26.4, diabetes pedigree function is 0.352, age is 21. So now let me check the prediction result for this value and click predict, and now you can see the prediction is negative. So I have shown you with both the cases. So let me show you with other thing also. So just enter pregnancy is 5 and glucose is 97, blood pressure is 76, skin thickness is 27, insulin is 0, BMI value is 35.6, diabetes pedigree function is 0.378, and age is 52. So now let me check the prediction result for this. Click predict button and you can see the prediction result is positive. And you can check with other cases also from the trained data set. And now let me move to the performance analysis part. In the performance analysis part, we can see the precision and recall values, and you can see the confusion matrix. And finally we'll go to the chart part. So this chart is a static chart because we have not used any database to picturize different kinds of charts here. So this data set is a pie chart is been shown here with the data set that we have trained up with, so which consists around positive cases around 57.9 and negative cases around 42.1. And let me log out from this. And this is all about the project diabetes disease prediction using machine learning algorithms. And thank you for watching.